assessment has been submitted.
Superintendent Bob Scully,
Yes.
command of the incident.
Yes.
We've heard that the people involved in the incident are based at the Cley Visitors Centre. Do we know how long you will be based at the Visitors Centre for?
At the present time, we are suggesting that we will be keeping the road closure on, and certainly a cordon around the investigation site for at least the weekend. The people at the Visitors Centre have been fantastic. They've looked after our officers and the military personnel, particularly during the first night, and we're very grateful to them.